everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A23 and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer. So at first you need to locate and open your camera app. Let me give a sec. Here it is, smoothly marker. And now here in the middle of the screen you've got timer icon. Pick the time after which you want the picture to be grabbed. I chose 5 seconds, and now as you can see the picture will be grabbed after 5 seconds. So you'll be able to notice here the countdown and then the picture will be grabbed. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.